Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. Let's embark on a creative journey to capture the beauty of nature through the delicate form of a leaf. As autumn greets us and leaves begin to carpet the ground, why not capture the beauty of the season by drawing one? Embrace the cozy spirit of fall with this adorable kawaii-style leaf. This tutorial is designed for everyone, from beginners to seasoned artists, making it simple to follow along. Join me, and together we'll breathe new life into this charming leaf. Did you know? Leaves are essential for the process of photosynthesis, which allows plants to convert sunlight into energy. Through this process, leaves absorb carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen, making them vital for life on Earth. Leaves come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes, adapted to different environments. For example, the large, broad leaves of tropical plants maximize sunlight absorption, while needle-like leaves of conifers minimize water loss in colder climates. The vibrant colors of leaves in the fall are due to chlorophyll breaking down, revealing other pigments. Carotenoids produce yellow and orange hues, while anthocyanins can create reds and purples, giving rise to beautiful autumn landscapes. Leaves play a crucial role in the ecosystem and are fascinating in their diversity and functionality. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine.